Hi there. Today we will discuss how to change button color in SquareSpace. So let's dive into this method. Currently, I am on the dashboard of SquareSpace, and below you will see my website. Now I will visit my website and I will check. How can I change the button color? As you can see, I get access of my website. From here you can edit anything, but you don't have to tap on the option Edit. Simply take a look on the right top, you can see the icon Site Style. Click on it. Now the site style is open. Scroll down, and you can see the icon of colors. Click on this arrow to expand it. Now here you will find the themes, which is called Light 1 and 2. The first thing is we will locate our button. This one is Light 1. You can see the name, but if you scroll down, you will not see any button. Let me scroll down more. And here is the option of Learn More. The name of this theme is Light 1. So I will click on this Light 1. Scroll down, and here you can find the section button. This is the background of the button. Let me scroll down here. You can see the same color, click on it. And here you can change it to wherever you want. Now, in order to get access of custom color, click on this custom and change it to wherever you want. You can also change it like this. And once you think it's good, go back from here and you can see the button color has been changed, and that's it.